the contest, right? I think I briefly mentioned earlier, in order to create a contest, we need the URL of that specific post so that we can tell Genius Giveaway, this is the post I want you to run it on. So you are going to find your post inside Facebook. In my case, like I mentioned, I'm going to use this one. And to get the URL for that specific post, all you have to do is click the date and time. It will then bring you into the post, and you can here copy the URL. That's all we need. Then again, I'm going to click my Genius Giveaway extension. I no longer have to revisit the menu. I can now create my new contest. So click right there, and then it brings you into the dashboard. Let me again move this over a little bit. You can now give your contest a name. I'm just going to name this demo. Again, this is only for you. Nobody will see that. And here is where you add the post URL. So I'm just going to paste it right in there, the URL I've just copied. You can now select the number of winners, which can be any number between 1 or 4 at the most. I will select 1 winner. Then you can decide how you want to select the winner. Do you want to randomly pick anyone who has commented on the post? Or do you want the winner to be the person who has left the most comments? Or do you want to select the person who was last to comment when the giveaway contest ended? So in this case, I am going to go with most comments. And then you also need to choose if you want only the first original comments or you want to include sub comments as well. So that's when people react on a existing comment and maybe form a thread or a conversation right there. It's up to you. But if you announce to people that the winner is the person to comment most, then I think it's fair enough to also include those. Then you can additionally set a criteria for people to also need to leave a reaction, so a like, for example, or for them to share the post. Again, it's optional. If you want to, you can select either one or both of these. But keep in mind, you do need to make that clear on your contest. I'm going to leave those out. Then you can pick a date and time for the contest to end. When it comes to this date and time, Genius Giveaway will automatically start running. It will go and review all the comments you've got, everyone who commented and participated on your post. It will do the counting for you, and it will then select the winner. So you can schedule the end date and time in advance. If in the meantime you decide, well, you know what, I want to end it early, you can do that too. I will show you a little bit later. But first, you want to schedule a date and time. So let me, in this case, as an example, choose tomorrow at 5 p.m. Okay. Then sending the messages, so the DMs that go straight into their inbox. You can send a message to the winner. Yes, that's what we want to do. That's, I think, something we always want to do. And here is where you select the message that is supposed to be sent to the winner. So I am going to choose a group message, the one we have just created. Select the group message, and I named it, I believe, you won, right? I'm going to select this one. Then you have the opportunity to also message the losers. Well, we have created all the segments and the group just now. So let's go ahead and select that too. Group message, and that was did not win. Right, now we're all set up. That's all that there is to it. You click save and you're done. Your contest was created successfully. Then let's go hop into Genius Connector extension once more. And as you can see, this is where now the contest appears. The title was demo. That's the title I just gave the contest we created right here together. And you can see the countdown timer as well. So you can see exactly how many days and how many minutes are left. If for some reason you do want to decide to stop it early and announce the winner already, you can simply click End Contest. So it is very important to be aware End Contest does not like end your contest and no longer run it or delete it or forget about it. No, that's when it will start running. It will start counting everyone who commented, and it will start selecting a winner. If you want to edit or delete it, you can do it right here, but that's usually not really something that many people are using. And you can view stats once the contest has ended. Once it's done running, it selected the winner, it did all the counting, etc. So right now for this contest, that's of course not available yet, but I can show you quickly in another one. This is what